students, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel and myself Mr. Abhilash Jadhav. Once again I welcome you to 5th standard science, where we are going to study more about the two more natural disasters. In the last series of the videos we have studied what is meant by a natural disaster, and in that we have studied the first type of the natural disaster, and that was the wildfire. Now this time I have come up with the two more natural disasters and information about these natural disasters, how destructive can be these natural disasters. Let us study in this brand new series of the videos, where we are going to study so many new things about the cyclones and floods. So these are the two natural disasters about which we are going to study. The disasters are, as you can see in the picture, one of it is the cyclone and the second one is the floods. So let us see, before going ahead, let us have a look at what we are expecting in these videos, or what we are going to learn in these coming videos about cyclones and floods. We will be studying what is meant by a cyclone and how do these cyclones form, when do they appear, what are the different names of these cyclones. These cyclones are referred with the different names around the world. So what are the different names of the cyclones, what are the parts of the cyclone, and of course we will be studying the effect of the cyclone on us and on the nature, and at last we'll study what is meant by flood, what causes flood, and what are the impacts of the floods. So these all things we are going to learn in these new videos. So first of all, let us start with what is a cyclone, our first natural disaster. So cyclone is nothing but a storm. We know about the wind blows. When this wind speed exceeds 74 miles per hour, so this wind can turn into the storm, or the storm can become the cyclone. So cyclone is nothing but the fast moving wind. A fast moving storm can be called as a cyclone. So cyclone is powerful spinning storm which contains the strong winds and the rain, and this fast moving storm is there. So this storm rotates around a center. The center is calm and cool. This calm center around which the strong storm rotates, this center is known as the eye. When we will discuss the parts of the cyclone, that time I will let you know more about what is an eye of the cyclone. These cyclones are also called as the tropical cyclone. This is a circular storm. In other words, if you want to define what is a cyclone, we can also define cyclone as a circular storm that forms over the warm ocean. So we always should remember that most often or always the cyclones, they form over the warm oceans, and after that they hit the land areas or the coastal areas. So they forms the circular storm that forms over the warm oceans, and when tropical cyclone hits the land, it brings the heavy rain and the strong winds. So this is a cyclone, which is nothing but a strong kind of the storm. Here in this picture we can see the cyclone has formed over an ocean, and it is rotating, or it is moving around the calm center. This calm center, the center of the cyclone, is an eye of the cyclone, and slowly this cyclone from the ocean, it moves towards the land or towards the coastal areas. So this was about the cyclone. In the next video we are going to learn about how do these cyclone forms. In detail we will study how do the cyclone forms and what are the various names of these cyclone. Thank you so much.